Hey guys, welcome back to my channel Miss McBlush. My name is Muskan and this video is a highly requested video. So I wore this dress and this makeup to my parents' 26th wedding anniversary and a lot of you guys asked me to recreate this look. So here I am recreating this look for you guys. A lot of you guys also asked me about my dress. So my dress, I actually saw a picture of a gold dress on Pinterest and I got this made in rose gold for the party. So firstly, I just pulled my hair back with a hairband, and then I moved on to moisturizing my super dehydrated skin, and I used the Innisfree green tea balancing cream, which I love. Moving on to my primer, I used the Smashbox Photo Finish Original Blur Primer. No, that's not the name, that's just what it's called. And then moving on to my foundation, I used the Makeup Forever HD foundation. Now guys, I know you guys can see that the right side of my face is acting really funny, and it was worse. I don't know why my skin is so dry and bumpy, but I am trying to look for a solution. So if you guys know something, please comment down below and tell me some remedies for bumpy skin. But it was much worse and it looks much worse on camera, but it has gotten better and I really wanted to make this video, so I did. There's no redness or anything, they're just dry bumps. And for my concealer, by the way, I used my Maybelline FitMe concealer in the shade 20 Sand Sable. So yeah, that is why my skin looks really weird in this video. So guys, please ignore that. Please don't give me any hate for it. My skin is just going through a bad phase. Then moving on to my contour, I used my Tartiest Pro Glow palette and I used the cream contour shade. And I know that my nails are different colors. That's because the nail print on my right hand chipped off and I really wanted to shoot this video. And then I moved on to using a cream blush by Stila. I used it on my usual blush areas, and then I took my favorite Laura Mercier translucent setting powder to set my under eyes, and then I took this huge ass brush from Real Techniques and set my entire face. So there's this rule guys, powder on powder, liquid on liquid, cream on cream. You cannot use powder on cream because that will just look really patchy. So once I powdered my face, I went in with my powder contour and my powder blush just to set everything so that it becomes long lasting. I used the peachy blush in the palette, which I love. I love this palette. By the way, it's the NYX Sweetcheeks palette. Then I moved on to my brows. Nothing new here. I used my Browsings palette, just the powder in the shade 5. I love this stuff. I haven't stopped using it since the day I bought it. Then moving on to my eyes, I use the Urban Decay Naked Heat palette. You can also use the Fortune Favors The Brave palette. That's an amazing palette too. I will mention all the shades on the screen. And yeah, it's just 3 shades that I kept using. It was a lot of blending, but the number of shades was like really less. And that's it. Like, this was a very simple plain matte look because I was wearing a shimmery rose gold dress, so I wanted my makeup to be really soft and simple with like a pop of highlighter. So yeah, so my eyeshadow was completely matte and I'm adding He Devil just to add more depth. And guys, please ignore my skin. I know it looks terrible, but it is getting better. And then I have found the liner of my dreams. I used the Maybelline Gigi Hadid liquid eyeliner and I love this stuff. It's the easiest liner that I've ever worked with. I was blown by how easy this was to use, and yeah, I have found my new favorite liner. Then I took the same 3 shades that I used on my crease to smoke my lower lash line, and then I took my plum kajal only because I couldn't find any other kajal, and I outlined my eyes. I like this kajal but not a lot. but I worked with it. And then I just outlined my eye, and then I moved on to this eyebrow gel by NYX. And then I curled my lashes and applied the Gigi Hadid Maybelline Fibre mascara. I really like this mascara, and I think that even without the fibers, I have used the fiber side in this video, but I just really think even without the fibers, the mascara is beautiful. Like, it looks beautiful on my eyes. And no, I didn't use these at the time of the party. I used the Lash Sensational mascara, but since this was new, I really wanted to try this out, and I really like it. Then I took my Hoola bronzer and contoured my nose just to make everything look slimmer. And then moving on to my favorite part, the highlighter. I used the Smashbox Casey Holmes highlighter in the shade Pearl, and this is a beauty. So I took the lighter shade and applied it down till my cheeks, so that if you've noticed in all my pictures, the highlighter on my cheeks is popping. So that's because I used the lightest shade, the most subtle shade, till my cheekbone, and then I mixed the two glittery ones and applied them on the higher parts of my cheeks, which I loved. Like, I got so many compliments for my highlighter, guys. I am not even kidding. I loved how this looked. It's such a nice gold, but a rose gold. It's just pretty. It's just very pretty. And then moving on to my lips, I didn't actually use any lipstick. I used a lip liner by Innisfree. It's a corally nude. I can't explain the shade, but it's a really nice shade. I will put the name of the shade in the description box below. And then I changed into my dress, and then I remembered that I hadn't highlighted the inner corner, so I did that and added a little more highlighter on my brow bone, and then I set everything with my NYX Dewy Skin Finish Mist. So this brings us to the end of the video, and guys, if you like this video, then please comment down below and tell me that you did. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel. Don't forget to give this video a big thumbs up, and comment down below and give me some remedies for my extremely dry, sensitive, bumpy skin. And yeah, I'll see you guys super soon in my next video. Bye bye.